Looking to build your kitchen from scratch? The right gadgets can save you time, reduce stress, and make cooking so much easier, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, we're counting down the must-have kitchen gadgets every new home cook should own. Stick around until the end to find your favorite, and if you see something you like, check the product links in the description for today's prices and more details. Let's get started. Product 5, Trendplane 60 So's Olive Oil Sprayer Bottle. Too much oil? Your meals and calories add up fast. And cheap bottles drip, splatter, and make kitchens messy. That means wasted oil, uneven cooking, and more cleanup. Meet Trendplane, the 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer. Spray for even coverage or pour when you need more. One bottle handles salads, air fryers, grilling, and more. The fine mist nozzle gives precise, controlled oil use. Each spray dispenses just 0.15 grams of oil, so you cook lighter, cleaner, and waste less every day. The BPA-free glass body is safe, odorless, and heat-resistant. Clear markings make measuring easy and portions stay accurate. No mess, no guessing, just smooth control in your hands. From drips and clutter to clean, effortless cooking. Backed by lifetime support you can buy with confidence. Upgrade your kitchen with Trendplane. It simply makes sense. Check the product link in the description for today's best price. Product 4, Herb Scissors, Stainless Steel Blades. I was drowning in herbs, late for dinner. Basil flew everywhere. My cutting board looked defeated. My knife, too slow. My patience, gone. Then came a strange green tool, quietly waiting. At first I thought it was just another gadget. But 5 sharp stainless blades told a different story. One squeeze and herbs fell in perfect ribbons. No tearing, no crushing, just instant clean cuts. The non-slip handle locked comfortably into my hand. Even slippery parsley felt completely under control. Then the cleanup miracle shocked me even more. The comb brush cleared stuck bits in seconds. The cover protected the blades and kept everything neat. Now I slice basil, cilantro, mint, and scallions effortlessly. If you cook with herbs, get this upgrade today. Check the product link in the description for today's best price. Product 3, Magnetic Stainless Steel Measuring Spoons. My sourdough collapsed and my kitchen fell silent. The flour storm looked innocent, but disaster was brewing. I blame my recipe, my oven, even my sanity. Then the spice jar lid opened to the real crime. My measuring was chaos, too much, too little, everywhere. That's when I found these magnetic measuring spoons. 7 precise sizes from 1/8 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. And the leveler, pure redemption, for every overfilled scoop. Dual-sided heads slid into narrow jars like magic. Dry spices? Easy. Liquids? Even easier. No spills. The stainless steel felt strong, smooth, and beautifully durable. Then the magnetic stacks snapped together, instantly organized. My drawers stopped fighting back. My counter finally calmed. Now every bake is precise, fast, and heartbreak-free. Click the product link below to see today's deal before it's gone. Product 2, Onion Slicer Holder, Stainless Steel Tool. Challenge: can you slice onions faster, safer, and cleaner? No tears, no slipping, no uneven mess on the board. Meet the stainless steel onion holder for effortless prep. Sharp tines grip firmly, keeping food steady and secure. Push it into onion, tomato, avocado, or egg. Watch every slice stay even, neat, and professional. No more holding food with fingers or risking cuts. Save time chopping for salads, dinners, and meal prep. Use it on meat, too, for deeper tenderizing. Sturdy stainless steel lasts longer and cleans up easily. The non-slip handle feels comfortable and controlled. Dishwasher safe, lightweight, and built for everyday kitchen use. Compare that to messy, uneven slicing without the tool. Your reaction: faster prep, safer hands, better looking food. Upgrade your kitchen routine with this smart slicing helper. Don't miss out. Check the product link in the description for the latest price. Product 1, Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper 4-in-1. Busy weeknights make chopping vegetables feel endless. Onions, cucumbers, and peppers slow everything down. Meal prep gets messy, uneven, and frustrating. That's where the Fullstar Pro Chopper helps. Its sharp blades dice ingredients in just 30 seconds. The 5-cup container catches everything neatly. No scattered pieces, no extra cleanup on counters. The compact design fits easily in drawers or cabinets. Setup is simple, and daily use feels effortless. It also goes on the top rack of the dishwasher. That means faster cleanup after every meal. Built with rust-resistant blades, it stays sharp and reliable. The non-skid base adds stability while you prep. Enjoy quicker dinners, easier salads, and smoother meal prep. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Tap the product link in the description now.